Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. This is your Siva sir. So, welcome to the Student the Brand. Today topic is electricity. Myopia, 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 myopia. Near distance we can see her. Far distance we can't see her. Myopia, myopia, myopia. Further correction we are using concave lens, concave lens, concave lens, concave lens. Myopia, myopia, myopia. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. So today topic is electricity. As we are discussing in the previous classes, you can see in a row continuously. This is the fourth class. This is the fourth class. You can see the electricity topic continuously in a row. So in a day, this is the fourth class. We can discuss about So, in an experiment of verification of Ohm's law, following observations are obtained. Following observations are obtained. So now I am telling the following observations in an experiment of verification of Ohm's law. Following observations are obtained. So now you can see I am writing in an observation. In an observations. Okay, done. In an experiment, experiment of verification of Ohm's law. So following observations are obtained. So now you can see one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So V and I. So 0.5, 0.2, 1.0, 0.4, 1.5, 0.6, 2.0, 0.8, 2.5 and 1.0. So these are the observations. Hello sir. Fiction. Anubhav, right? Anubhav. Yeah, I remembered. Anubhav. Yes. Anubhav, IIT third year. How are you? So draw the BI graph and use this graph to find. So first question is potential difference. We have to find out potential difference when current I is. So current is given. So 0.5 ampere. And the second question is current I when the potential difference. Current we have to find out when potential difference is 0.75 volts. Find the resistance. R we have to find out. So these are the questions. Yeah, Anubhav, how are you? So doing good. So okay, so let come to the point. Here you can see. These are the question. This is a question. In an experiment of verification, of verification, Ohm's law, following observations are obtained. Okay. So we need to find out V. So Anubhav, can you try this question? And let me know? Potential difference we have to find out at current 0.5. Current we have to find at potential difference 0.75 and resistance. So first we'll find out resistance. Resistance will find out. Given data. So given data according to the data, so we need to identify. So we have to find out resistance. First of all, we need to find out the resistance. To find the resistance, so we can take this is the V2 I am taking. This is V1. You can take this is V2, V1, V1. So anything we can consider. This is I2 and I1. So we know the formula from Ohm's law. V equal to IR. From Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So from Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Okay. So from this, we need to find out R equal to V by I. So Ohm's law we have to. So from Ohm's law, we have to find out R value. So for finding the R value, so we need to take the values V2 minus V1 by I2 minus I1. So I am considering R equal to V2 minus V1 by I2 minus I1. So now I am considering V2 equal to 1 minus V1 equal to 0.5 by I2 equal to 0.4 minus 0.2. So if you do it, so you'll get a 0.5 by, so 0.2, 0.2. So R equal to 0.5 by 0.2 into 10 by 10. So into 10 by 10, we will get 5 by 2, that is equal to sorry, that is equal to 2.5. That is equal to 2.5. R equal to 2.5. R equal to 2.5. Is it clear? R equal to 2.5. Is it clear? So I hope you got it. R equal to 2.5. R equal to 2.5. So this is a resistance. Resistance. So I hope a third question completed. So this week from the finding third question. And potential difference we have to find out. First question is potential difference. V equal to IR. V equal to IR. So I equal to already given. So from the question, I equal to 0.5 and R equal to 2.5. Can you find out how much? And second question is we need to find out the current. So I equal to V by R. So potential difference is given 0.75. 0.75. R equal to 2.5. So this also can you try? And the third one, anyway, third one we got the answer, that is R equal to 2.5. So 2.5 ohm. So this is the answer. So if you know the answer, let me know. So those who know the answer, just try it once. You can read once the question. Once read the question, everybody. Once read the question and let me know the answer. Okay, so take time. Take time. So and let me know the answer. So take time and let me know the answer. So check once. So that is a question. Question. Okay. So when the question is given, find out the V value. So in this case, find out the I value. I value you have to find out how much, and V value how much we got. Just try it once. Okay now. So any doubts? If you have any doubts, let me know. So I'll do it. Once again, check here. Once again check here. I'm explaining this question. So if an experiment verification of Ohm's law, in an experiment of verification of Ohm's law, Ohm's law. So following observations are obtained. So V value, I value is given. Okay, V value, I values are V values and I values are given. V values and I values are given. Okay, so from this, so we need to find out. Okay, so potential difference when current is given, I equal to 0.5 is given, and current when potential difference is given, how to find out? Which formula we'll use? We'll use the formula V equal to IR. So I'm considering this V2 value and V1 value. So if you draw the graph, I'll draw the graph. So check once here. I'm taking the normal. So here I'm considering like this. V on y-axis and I on x-axis. So here. So I'm taking a V 0.5, 0.51, 1 and 1.5, and 2, and so 2.5. Here I'm taking 0.2 and 0.4 and 0.6, 0.8, 1. So if you draw the graph like this, it will be there. Okay, so it is a linear. So the graph is linear. So now you can check once. Okay, so V2 minus V1 by I2 minus I1, V2 minus V1 by I2 minus I1, 1 minus 0.5 by 0.4. So here, 1 minus 0.5, 1 minus 0.5 by, so 0.4 minus 0.2, 0.4 minus 0.2, so 0.5 by 0.2. So we'll get, okay, so if you subtract, we'll get it. So r equal to 0.5 by 0.2. So multiply with the 10 by 10, we'll get a 5 by 2. So that is nothing but 2.5. So 2.5 is the answer. Now we can see, we need to find out the V value when the current. So current is given. So V value we have to find out when the current is given 0.5. So 0.5. How much you'll get if you are multiplying 2.5 into 0.5? 2.5 into 0.5. So simply 25. 125 you will get, right? 125. So 125, check once, 1.25. Potential difference is volt. And V by R, I value. What is I value? How much you'll get I value? 0.3. 0.3 ampere. 0.3 ampere. Is it correct or not? Check once, everyone. So we are doing. Just check once. Check once whether you are getting correct or not. Check once. Did you get the correct answer? So once again check here. I am taking in an experiment. So here in an experiment of verification Ohm's law, following observations are obtained. So V value given and I value given. V value and I value given. Okay. So potential difference we have to find out when current is 0.5. Current we have to find out when potential difference is 0.75. So if you draw the graph, so they're asking to draw the graph. If you draw the graph, it will be like this. So you have to mention the values. Find out R value. So we can find out the R value. So from Ohm's law, V equal to IR. From Ohm's law, V equal to IR. From Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So V equal to IR, R equal to V by I. So R equal to V2 minus V1 by I2 minus I1. R equal to V2 minus V1 by I2 minus I1. So V2 equal to 1 and minus 0.5. So 0.4 minus 0.2. 0.4 minus 0.2. So 0.5 by 0.2 will get it. So if you solve it, you will get it 2.5. That is the resistance. Potential difference we have to find out. V equal to IR. V equal to IR 0.5 into 2.5. That is nothing but 1.25. That is nothing but 1.25 you'll get. 1.25. So here you see. So we need to find out I value V by R. So V equal to, so here you said 0.75 and 2.5. So 2.5. Resistance we solved 2.5. If you saw, so we will get a 0.35. 0.3. Sorry, 0.3 ampere. If you are solving this one, you'll get 0.3. Means 100 by 100. If you multiply, you'll get it. And the resistance anyway we found 2.5. Resistance anyway we found 2.5. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you all. I hope it is clear to you all. So check it once. Check it once. So that is the question. That is the question. Okay. So next we are going to the next question. We are moving on to the next question. Check. So this question is very easy. This question is very easy, simple also. Try this question. Find the resistance of a conductor. Find the resistance. Find the resistance of a conductor resistance of a conductor if the electric current if the electric current if the electric current if the electric current flowing if the electric current flowing through it is it is 0.35 ampere when 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 the potential difference is when the potential difference when the potential difference across it is 1.4 V. Okay, so try this question. So once you try this question, very simple, very easy. So basic question only. Okay, so very simple question, very easy question. Try this question once. Try this question. Very simple only. One sec. Find the potential difference. Find the resistance of a conductor if the current flowing through it is. So current is given, I is given. When the potential difference across it is. Potential difference also given. Current is given and potential difference also given. So they are asking to find out resistance. Or we have to find out which formula we have to use. Can you tell which formula we have to use? First write the given data. So meanwhile, first write the given data. Okay, so what are the given data? So, find the resistance of a conductor. Find the resistance of a conductor if the electric current flowing through it is 0.35. When the potential difference across it is. Right? So now you can see I am taking current I equal to 0.35 ampere and a potential difference V equal to 1.4 V. I equal to 0.35 ampere, V equal to 1.4 V. So which formula we can use? Which formula we can use to find out? Which formula? Which formula we will use? Can you tell me? V equal to IR formula. V equal to IR formula. Very basic formula. Very basics. So 1.4 equal to 0.35 into R. So R equal to 1.4 by 0.35. 1.4 by 0.35. So try it once. How much you'll get it? I have a question, sir. What is your question? Sagar? What is your name? Murali or Sagar? Or complete name? Okay then. So come to the point. So I am considering 1.4 equal to 0.35. 1.4 equal to 0.34. Okay, so 1.5 by 0.35, how much you'll get? 1.4 by 0.35. Yes. Yes, Ramcharan. 4 you got correct. Very good. Answer is 4. 1.4 by 0.35 into 100 by 100. To remove zeros. Denominator zeros compulsory you must eliminate. 140 by 35. 4. Very good, Ramcharan. Correct. So then we go to the next one. So I'm going to the next question. So very important question. So let me know if you know this answer. Next question. So next question is, in a series electrical circuit, in a series, so question, in a series electrical circuit comprising, so like this, so a resistor made up of a metallic wire, the ammeter reads 100 milliampere if the length of the wire is doubled. How will the current in the circuit change? So justify your answer. So here you can see they are asking, so in a series electrical circuit comprising a resistor, so resistor is there, made up of a metallic wire, the ammeter reads, so I1 is given, so you can see given data, I equal to 100 milliampere is given, okay. If the length of the wire is doubled, L1 is L, so L2 is 2L. So how will the current in the circuit change? So they are asking about I2. So I2 we have to find out. They are asking about I2. Okay. Sir, could you make me someone? Yes. Sir, isn't a heart under the costume? Yeah, of course it is. That's why I'm sitting. It's okay, fine. It happens. You are sitting on this. Yes. Okay, done. Come to the point. So we'll work out what are the conditions are, what are the things are. So we have to work. That's enough. So come to the point. I1 equal to 100 milliampere. So milliampere, I2 we have to find out. Normally, so we know R is directly proportional to L. So here they didn't give directly. So but see, very logical question. This question is very logical. Yes. Sure, ma, sure. So let anything happens, definitely I will. So now it is going on well, right? Then. So Daniel, we are prepared. Thank you so much. I am very happy for you and for your support. Thank you so much. So in a series electrical circuit comprising a resistor made up of a metallic wire, The ammeter reads. So I1 is given. We need to find out I2. So very very carefully read the question. So if the length of the wire is doubled, so here they given one logical question. So here the length of the wire is doubled, but they didn't give the actual no R value. We need to, so normally if you are taking V equal to IR, normally if you are taking V equal to IR, so we know I value, R value, we need to find out I value, right? I value we need to find out. So they didn't give R, they didn't give V. So they give a length, How to, that is 12 equal to 15. 15 ampere is correct. Okay, L2, I2 na. Okay, correct. Correct, Ramcharan. Well done. Good job. Ramcharan. Excellent, Ramcharan. Well done. Keep it up. Nice. Correct, and I2 is correct. 15 ampere. How it will be? So R is directly proportional to length. R is directly proportional to length. So R also R2 equal to 2R. R2 equal to 2R. R2 equal to 2R. So here you can see. So I is inversely proportional to R. Inversely proportional. Inversely proportional, right? So when you are taking this side, inversely proportional. I2 by I1 equal to R1 by R2. R1 by R2. So in this case, I2 equal to I2 by R1, I1 equal to how much? 100. So milliampere only I am writing, and R1 is R, R2 is 2R, R2 is 2R, R2 is 2R, right? Then you can take RR get cancel. I2 equal to 100 by 2, 100 by 2, that is nothing but 50 milliampere. So 50 milliampere, that is the answer. Very good, Ramcharan, good job, correct. Yes. Well done. That is the way to do. Sham. Carol starts soon. So seeing. Hi Soham, welcome to the class. Okay, come to the point. So like this, see, this is very simple. So very simple, very easy also. So follow this question. Okay. So here the point is in a series electrical circuit comprising, so a resistor made up of metallic wire. So the ammeter reads 100 milliampere. Okay, so milliampere only, let it be. So we are not changing the value, let it be like that only. So even if you change also, still, so there won't be much difference. So 50 into 10 power minus 3 ampere only. At 0.5 ampere will get. So 50 by 1000 will get. So 0 get cancelled. 0.5 like that it will be. Sir, can I write the question please? Wait before. Yes, you can write. So I'm giving time. Yeah, I'll give time. So I'll give time, and for answer also I'll give time. Just check once. So very logical question. This question is very logical. Okay, so keep in mind this one. So sometimes we will not get idea how to do the problem. Sometimes we will not get an idea to do the problem. So while doing problem, so be careful. Okay, identify the question. Why exactly what is given, and how to solve also. These type of questions, so many are there. So better those who are preparing seriously, those who are taking very serious preparation for board exams. This channel 100% efforts will give towards physics. 100% efforts will be given towards physics. Okay, physics subject. Those who want to join, you can join to the class and inform your friends. Okay. Okay, yes, Soham. Pass video and copy. Okay, it's fine, ma. Just no problem, nothing. So we are going to the right. So continuously, so it will be extend. Next question. Meanwhile, I'm going to the next question. So I'll see. So I'll see. I will explain. Don't worry. Take time. So while I'm writing only, while I'm writing the question only, better you write. So you can save more time. So simple tip. Okay, thank you. So welcome, ma. So we will go to the next one. So very simple, basic questions only. These are very, very basics. But the point is, we will not understand exactly the logic. If you are understanding the logic, these problems are very, very easy. Very, very easy. You don't need to struggle a lot. Okay. So we don't need to struggle a lot. So simple one, you need to understand the logic in that. So what is exactly given? If you know the logic, so the problem is very, 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 very easy. Okay, so basic one only, right? Basics one only, right? Okay. So next one, we are going to the next problem. Try to follow. Yeah, I got it. I got it, Sony. So I understood. Ramcharan, same thing only I said no. So she will be back off the next question. That's right. It's okay, fine. So it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. So meanwhile, you can prepare. We can see the question. So is given to each coulomb of charge, passing passing through passing through passing through a 6 volts battery. 6 volts battery. Okay, this is the question. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volts battery? See, if you understand the logic, sir, how to get understand physics? I love doing maths. I can understand chemistry, but I can able to do physics. See, Ramcharan. So physics is very easy. Okay, sir, you are teacher, so you can say physics is easy. But still, I will say physics is easy if you follow. Okay, some rules, few rules. So point number one is reading the question multiple times. You have to read the question multiple times. If you read one time and so if you say I understood, sir, why are you wearing that type of clothes? This is new like a teaching aid. Teaching aid. What is your name? Can you say your name? So see, Ramcharan, read the question. Read the question multiple times. Sir, he is right. It's basic. Basic because according to my 12th class experience, there will be many things like electromagnetism, electrostatics. Yes, read the question again and again, multiple times. You read the question. If you read the question only, you can understand exactly what is there, what exactly the question is telling to you. So if you are going, so someone is there, so in front of you. So I am there in front of you. If I talk only, you can understand. Okay. So every question will tell something to you. Every question will tell something to you. So question is trying to tell something. Okay. So we have to understand that one. We have to understand what exactly the question is telling to us. So in our no, words, so question is talking to us when you are reading. It is also required many practice of question. Yes, that is true. So question is telling something and question is talking to you. Kunal, hi Kunal. A question is talking to you. So when a question is talking to you, so you have to listen. So normally, so don't get too much. Actually, you should listen that question. So with in the point of question, in the point of question view, we have to think. Okay, what exactly question is trying to tell us? Tell us. This question also. See this question also. Here directly, if you read, you won't get it. You won't get it. You won't get it. This is the example. Very simple question, very basic question. Very simple question, very basic question. So what exactly the question is telling to us? We have to understand. After that, write the given data. Write the given data. Use the formula. Use the formula and solve it. So I will tell one thing. So according to the research or experiments or studies, those who are doing physics, those who are doing general point. So we have to tell with proud. So those who are doing physics, those who are doing physics, in our unactivated positions will be there in our brain. In our brain, unactivated positions like with the knowledge cells like that. Okay. So those cells also will activate. So you can do better things. You can do things in a better way. So daily activities, daily thinking, daily works. So you can do in a better way. You can do a better way. So that is the reality of physics. Sir, why are you wearing that cloth? I already said no, it is a costume. I didn't know your name. Can I know your name? Your good name? So something it is there. Just reply that is teaching aid for him. Okay. Yeah, I'm replying to your message only. So the teaching aid in the sense. So in the teaching part, my name is Akash. Akash, yeah. That's what. If you tell your name, I can call your name. Then you can understand. Sorry, is telling to me like that. So Akash, I'm telling to you only. So this is one of my teaching aid. Teaching aid in the sense. So with the teaching, we will use like bottle and marker, board, like that. It is one of my aid. So teaching aid. So it's a part of teaching. Okay. So that's enough. Like now you are coming to the point. It's even for a vibe. Ah, wow. Correct. Yeah, that is true. So here you can see how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge. Passing through 6 volts battery. Passing through 6 volts battery. So you must understand one thing. You must understand one thing. How much energy is given? We have to find out how much energy. Energy means what exactly we need to identify. So underline what exactly we need to find. Okay, and each coulomb, yeah, underline the points and charge passing through 6 volts battery. So direct value is given, only one value is given here, that is potential difference. Potential difference is 6 volts. After that, I don't know. I cannot understand. I cannot recognize. How is energy equal to work? Yes, ability to do work or capacity to do work is called energy. Ability to do work or capacity to work is called energy. So energy is units, work units, same one. So here, energy units, work units, same only, right? Yes or no? So definition, ability to do work or capacity to do work is called energy we are talking. Yes or no? V equal to W by Q. So formula in this case, V equal to W by formula only we have to use. V equal to W by Q. V equal to W by Q. Okay. So here we need to find out work. Potential difference is given. Q is given 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb. Okay. So Q is given 1 coulomb. Now work done we have to find out. Electrical energy is square of 40 and yeah, that is true. Electrical energy is equal to RT BIT. Mm, mm, yes, okay. So P equal to VI into T. But according to the data, we are using formula. So they didn't give I value, they didn't give current value. No. See, one more thing also. Here, formula is very important. Identifying the formula. 2.71 weight. Huh? Sorry, it is wrong. R. Anad, hi, hello, Anad. What is your name, ma? So, Armania, like that, something is there. Okay, calorie. So, in the form of calorie, you are telling joules. Okay, done. Okay, fine. So, come to the point here. So, V equal to W by Q. So, W equal to V into Q. So, V equal to how much? 6. Potential. So, charge is 1. So, W equal to 6 joules. Clear? Sir, hey, Anad. Hi, how are you? Welcome to the class. Okay, come to the point. Next one, I hope this completed. So 6 volts. Read the identify the question. Identify the question. Identify the question. How much energy? How much energy is given to the 1 coulomb? How much energy means work to bring, see, passing through 6 volts battery. So work is going on. Work is going on, right? Work is going on. There is nothing but charge is moving. If the charge is moving means definitely work must be done. So if you do work only, the charge will move. Otherwise it won't move, right? Oh, sorry, I forgot that you know English. I mean, how are you, sir? Yeah, I'm excellent, extraordinary, marvelous, amazing. Okay. So that's right. So V equal to W by Q, W equal to VQ, 6 into 1. So answer is, so, hey, Harmonia. Where are you from, sir? No, sorry, singer. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, relax. Okay, come to the point. So we are going to the next one. Going to the next one. So next question is very, very important. Next question is very important. Next question definitely 3 marks question or 2 marks question. So keep in mind, I'm telling to you, either unit test, slip test, midterm, like any exams, any exam. So from so actually, initially, no, no, no. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm teaching physics. So my name is Siva sir. So my channel name is Student the Brand. Everything I wrote here you can check once. So if you want my bio, okay. So I mentioned here over everything I mentioned here on the board. Just go through it. So my name is Siva sir. So my name is Shiva. So you call me Siva sir. So completed mechanical. I am from Secunderabad. Yeah, I am from ECL, Hyderabad. It's okay, okay. Relax, guys. So come to the point. It's okay, everyone. I am happy for you all. Sir, NCRT. NCRT all I am teaching. What is your name? Demanex. So what is your name? Can you tell your name? Yeah, I'm telling. I'm teaching NCRT only. So those who need any further questions, you can call to the number. So regarding anything, so like more questions, if you want, you can call to the number. This is my number 98498 Okay, come to the point. So a 6 ohm resistor. This is very, very important question. So I am telling very, very important question. Make sure that so a 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled. Very, very important question. So very, very important question. Doubled on itself. Doubled on itself. Doubled on itself. Calculate 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 the calculate the new resistance of the wire, new resistance of the wire. So now you tell, very, very important question, highly expected question for board exam. I'm telling you. I thought some other, no, NCRT only ma. So I didn't get your name. Can I know your name, please? No, sir. How can you? Sir, I think you are Kannada. To type. This is the for CBSE. Yes, CBSE. Arav. This is CBSE only. Arav, this is from CBSE only.